Medi eno okutwa so ba twene boda na barima bedi de frem sidi ankyere do meje so adwen na anya adwuma nipadua no bere eyimidini asa agoro enso asem kan eno so yimidini na sebi eburu sebi enyado adwen de nipatirim na odasani wani na wawa no na wawa so no opa depa na wahwe na waka ho asem ni senti abiri nyina no okutwa so metena ase ni nyunudwo ewia anopa na bipe bibia hwe internet na so dia
Malope TV, in God we trust.
Ewo ena mewe na dia ma ho de bia na menya de pati ni se ma subscribe nti to ma beta no man kan as a first line no kan na alert me ma kwa kreke so ka na dem kusu nti sa na me pesa oye na wo wia se dia kwa ye no fa comment eko wia na wa sha ma foforo no mo so enya bia we hwediye enu anko hwede be mo akomate hwediye wan ko bibia ansa amfafo amfreme emusam se bidi de sei no mate na sei netie panyisi e wakura ne wakura konkono pedi waka asempa na wakanya nsasem
abushia mechia obi biara brea wo de hwe bibia ana ahemachi anopai sharp ana ekwasiada mechia breche for my star frame fika no do se Malope aden wa bra na Dabi anyway ana ekwasiada and on the 9th November 2025 na Ghana Sundwe Jumedi na wohwe mami fanchia ema all the people on comment section ndo people say Malope me call comment section ay excellent ba sa wo bo adwuma pa na say udi nkwasha asema na yebedi watemu ba wa ya de pa hwan edi watemu obi abebo abaso mami fanchia ma mu amotahwe mo Malope TV comment section na say mo ya de nyame hwam no nyam kase yakoso akasa magana said ye be ya umano ebenya ne ntoma pa efra ena mami muru nsembia anope de bra nwumere nso eye more fire for fire ene eye kwasiada on the 9th okay Nigeria Christophobia kire say ye kosie wo mo no eye arehosem papa I just said they were Boko Haram a terrorist Islamic terrorist ne kunkum Christopher no Nigeria no and ye kosie one ye beyi eno so ne ye de ho enkomo the same Nigerians sem no ano na se parliament din tokwa gina mu anyasem keto akọ Nigeria parliament house MPs mpenifo ne din tokwa gina mo ko mbako sanso ena Nigeria hoya no chese o makokunkun o mabwure nkura bi ase kunkum nyina na akoda bia uti se fe no wanya 2 years so se 1.5 year gina ho awosu hu ne maame onde o manku ni bi na waye mobo no se yebakọ akodi hu nkomo akufu ado na ebo a kenofora ma na tu kwan efiri Ghana se mo mba bio special prosecutor se hwan de ababetu chief hwan de ababetu ya na weni nkomo kakra wo ho a ye babedi ha Ghana Sundwe enie adwumadie so na wo hwe memedin de Elisha Malope ma yetwa ye ho sema enkoje aboafo nkrato eye Ibik Security Service wo mo so asemboa ye madwumadie no ekọ na papa yetwa ye ho abasema akwaje omkrato efe ye ba na emunwuram bechi obi biara welcome back
ene yakwa modern Ghana one hwe ya usike ni wajapade ohia modern technology security behwe wajapade nyina mamenkanfo Ibik Security Services enfamao wo sika se ama se adwendwene ebeku awo wajapade ho sa wo pe security ewo ufie company hotel bank mines open escort construction project sa wo site anase bambo bia open no Ibik Security Services ade bema wo eno achi cars no a de sa wo frebusa ba bia Ibik Security about GPS tracking. Trese, baby wajapadie ya wono. Obetimi ama wa monitor awo baby wugina ya. Se wo phone ana monitor bia. Eniema bia security guide. Ekita ya pepper spray. Bambo ho ade. Trenchon. Anasa security apparatus. Ibik Security our branches bebre. Enkran wo mo awosh. Eben farmer tema community aid. Bush camp. Sunyan wo mo odomase. Kwandada no. Ene snake building. Eye opposite. Domain microphone so. Mumusa ankane Some Force Restaurant. Womu Hoppe. Ana for 020303736. Ana 05541976620. Ana 05531180113. And 0244627005. Ibik Security Services. We na mi fi wa double hoba.
Abusia Madawase, my men for Ghana, dear, and Shassie, maybe a near Bogura, Nigerian sensem. On the crown of the OSP Nana, say, Eddie Ababa to special prosecutor. Eddie Ababa to second Furata Jania would Johnny Yeno. Yakufu ne money Johnny, because that brana no more access or San Common no more, you know, Kufu man. Omuna no more power. Or the Indian commoner papa ni di no. Na ye made him come.
OSP must and we would always work together with Attorney General. Attorney General in turn should hold our hands. We are working for one republic, one Ghana. The main perpetrator from our standpoint, the main perpetrator had no intention of returning back to the country. Of course, he had left the country earlier in the year during the transition. Now we should place this in proper context because we've attracted some flag that why did we allow him to go? Mr. Misa, he left before 7 January. Between 1st, I know the exact date, but I'm not going to mention it. All I'm saying is between 1st and 6th January, he had left. Who was in power during those few days? And we don't control the airports. We don't control the exit. The OSP doesn't control the exit points. But we are taking flag day in and day out. Why did we allow him? Let me put it this way. His cousin was president. Let's face facts.
Yeah.
Before John Dramani Mahama was sworn in on 7 January, Nana Akufo-Addo was the president.
Yeah.
That was his cousin. He had kept him in the office for more than 7 years. I'm saying when he left, the president was Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
At the time he left, we were not getting the cooperation at the time from other security agencies.
You weren't getting any cooperation?
We were not.
You had asked for them?
We asked for all that, but we were not. It was as if there was a policy of block the OSP out. That was what we were facing, and that was the circumstances under which we were being expected to perform. I think I've complained about these things over national security. No, at the time, the situation is different now. National Signals Bureau, no, at the time. The situation is different now. National Intelligence Bureau, zero. At the time, the situation is different now. I mean, the security setup was stacked up against the OSP, so we will not be able to perform our job. This was the situation in which we found ourselves. And I'm being asked how I let Ken Ofori-Atta through this. We didn't watch him leave. We were powerless. That is the truth. We were powerless. We saw him leave, but we couldn't prevent him from leaving at the airport because we couldn't. Now we can rely on the Ghana Immigration Service to block someone. Now we can rely on national security.
Before then you couldn't.
To block someone. Then, at the time he left, you call up immigration, no one will even bother to respond to you. You write to immigration, no one will even bother to respond to you. And I'm saying this unabashedly. That was the situation we found ourselves.
Papa na di nkomo. Enti ne kura oka gosi so se nya de ye benya Ken Ofori-Atta de na kogina asendi na ya toto na no na ya bisa sam pass wa bo ma na kro no. Enti ye nya no ana because ne kura Arafo munim e be di Nigeria ho nkomo but ye de me mind ye asase de a ana ni ye nkasa emfa me nkasa mfa ho kakra. This is the time Ghana ye mpanifo need to be very serious. Dodo no ano. You guys need to be serious because me kai say Akufo-Addo I think the parliament agiatum say obi aban nipa na wo wiade obi wa bam as a politician or wa bam politician na yesi we diska wa ye bone we wi aban ne sika we wi oman ne sese ne ye bone sa kwa adu na onya sa sika ne bro betimi akọ scot free na de wo ko wi abanche so we de wo wi abrode a wono onya aban nkrofo so we Akufo ado na de samre ba na no ni akufo ado no se ne nkrofo na wi eskanti opemra bi dia prevent wo mona ye mpanifo mesrem Timemufo ana hwe mpanifo Timemufo ana to atade hye police Timemufo na to atade hye soja Timemufo taxes ana yedi twa ban mpanifo ka na kamia kwaya se bare se mukwadwene mo nko amo ho na Timemufo de you only care mutwene omuhu obra ye beto abade a ane edo na edu ye be kire mo mpanifo no so se ye na ye the citizen and the east of this country yaso abab to obere no ye de kokromoti be kire ni pa ye nto abanama no akamia kwa se Ghanaian politicians law bi on be hihye bia no before be call parliament sana me misusu me ma dwene mo no they try almost a law is not going to affect them because amara we no adena brodiefo ne banchefo ne akokofo ne mobile phone fo no wo mo return ade na yenya mo nko anas wo mo no de omukro no na pen en na wonti no anyway abusia yeni nkomoy yeni nkomoy this is the time share abaywa bi video I think that abaywa no every honorable I'm say no John Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e camp no kire say o Ghana kana wo mumu a de ndie mfa ko baabi de ndie say you see Ghana for I am telling you this is the time one don't let any politician convince you with kobo with any city with any amount and penny for say edidida eye chende de prako dia wo wususu say wa dwene ne wakoma mu no ususo no obetimi abe kanifu a obe kanifu obeboa no use your mind and go and vote don't let any politician convince you with a little money na watchna kakra no de convince you no wabenya ho faso more than that watchna bi wabehye mmere bi a ebe ko atia and we Nigerian sensem wo Ghana Mahama was the last open even on the interrogating nonsense can Nigerian sensem can fana bobo no but look at now how it is by the way the free way and the Ghana, but you see, crab buses. Oko, baby, for buses here by ye, Oko Carnation, or Doconi and Yakra, old Saturday, Osa bus, Tata, Osa Basi, as I'm speaking a day individual for the a year, Juma, a banya the assay. Obeko, a banya assay, say be as a police cabacona time, ajo. Obekona we, Ubeko, I say, government properties, we don't think about government properties. Yeah, and then 3 days was a man, I mean, woman be Casa phones. I think there wasn't my comfort to say, Obisa, our brochure, I mean, make casa with phones. Abusia, imagine say, your friend is saying, I say, a dear way you bind dear. Imagine, say, I say, a dear way you bind dear. Yenim ko abanya dear. We don't care of government property. The buses. Yakra, buses na sese. Buses no asese. Ye kregum Ghana de na yeye. E de pa na yeye wo Ghana. Many woman need in common na me ka kire ne se. Hwe doctor Osajefo Kwame Nkrumah. Ewi ase won obi asini fie. Wasiesie mo kama. Oni ho. Yesu obi di odi adefo. Wabeto so na wodi ade. Oba ye no na nipa no wo fridge wo dem ho. Owo TV, owo nkonwa, owo we. Once waba beto so, wodi a wo beye no se idasa wodi bi beka ho. Modi ya moba mo mfa bi nka ho. Dada na mo beto ye na mo tonton. Kire se konwa na wo ton a, oho oba obetran. Fridge na wo ton a wo bobe de nya nsuo no me kire Ghana mamu a yempanifo ye ebe fiti Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah breso Ni say Rollins na started it. Say Rollins na started to turn the properties of Ghana. Ghana in Japade. And a basic President Kufuor. A basic Kufuor quiet when by Atamas quiet. When Kufuor Mahama. Ghanaian properties has been selling yetong omaya Japade because na Ashanti region ni bonsa yeye katai. Kwame Nkrumah breso bibi eno na ma mesi bonsa a shoe factory sorry ni yeye no Kumasi shoe factory bonsa de ne ho ne yeye katai no Ashanti region ni yeye friends Mpaboa shoe factory eno na ma Ashanti region up to now as I'm speaking Kumasi for ye Mpaboa si Kumasi Mpaboa bonsa ni yeye katai ene Ghana property ben yeye matches akora na ye kra matches but Ghana we have money. You bet to me and Brofrakatua Ibrahim Tuari. Look at how we develop Burkina Faso. This is the time I am penny for more money. Emi ya Mrs. Sankamobesha Merebia. We are Ghana Penia, once says he can go abroach, won't to fear abroach because I know how now free. So won't tell her now once we better Ghana. Near my position be to say president. Yama position be to say minister. Yama position be to say MP. You don't have any. Say you will never buy a house. Muntofia wa brochire because in Camera be ba gidi na say muntofia money property be wa brochire ni mboma money accommodate us then we should make Mrs. Camera ba na it will against the parliamentaries, it will get the politicians and they say politician yale me and fanantina kam anaplemu enkwa brochire anka de ombe ye de ni metete say time na Kufuor was say after hospital saka wire mu se de yun aban bi ba no be ye property bi e wono kwa when we are aban foforo no be ba na sansa nyo no hye ase na oye a e bi abanda da ne benya ni monyam ntino no so eja ese no man na japade me ame no mi enu tua tax no ya mo man na aka wura me sansa enye party bi na ye party bi ni ye complete a sa party ni be ye number 2 na mo na mo ye sanya party dia o your mind dia and it's MPP baso and NDC baso any political party be baso or ye bibia mo man it belongs to the country, it doesn't belong to the political party. Tidi entina sa man bi ba penny bi ba party bi ba no ye biribi na on complete ye no kwa there another party so onye ye zikao enso na mode yes ade na mo man no so mo say penny form fan wo mangu akwam that thing must be stopped. Says abani ba be bibi no we the second one oba no to aso sa so na penny fo asebu musika ananse womu to kwan say yatofie say yema any politician be akwan say won to fie wa approach but some say they will care about them because I was akwan say oh aha nye ya habe ye ade bia ye mienu a wani ko ba ko ho chen ba ko enti na ye penifo wan na be ya critical pa yam tam no the tipa no kra ye tam na si play mu e na kwa approach because ho na hospital papa ewo emese na me the woman because I was say we because what to fie wa approach mu ani me so woni dem no bi e ko ni dem a wote ni nyina ye nua Abrofo ni resources so many no more de o man so look at Abrofo krum all because nyansa no eye adwuma. So this is the time a young Ghana from penny for mo fa mo na nsi wo montutu no ma yes ade Kwame Nkrumah no de omomoja prayer eje wo man si ho ama ene ye mienu ya ba beto anyway me yem free Ghana nyame adoma ochina Monday ye be Ghana nsem enwumere so de ya no wahwe me enwumere 5 o'clock ya update of Samuel Yakeka Chukudi Jude Hinetu our bag Ghana some years ago na won some na update ye bebro ene enwumere yayi na brantia ye fere no video mo bag Ghana video bi obi dia send me afa no membesa me de manokora beka on air sa brantia no ye ni perform sa adwuma onima chese ade bono no ye the naked video amensa ka kire se wo ma ba US ka je kakra na chese membesa me de manokora beka nyame adoma Monday anopa na minim say video no because of say naked video YouTube for best strike me no na asem no. By the way my yanko na yanko hwe kunku Nigeria for Islamic terrorists na kunku Christopher na abofra bi gina ba bia no so be 1.5 or 2 years akoda yakuni mami akoda mte say ya bo ne mami tu no akoda ne mami so moja na kora ye no ne mami ewu ye hwe sa video ne bra.
It is God at work. They were one in dealing with the Christians. After the Christians were not there, division came in. God said, I come down. You have touched my people.
You have killed my people. You end up killing one another. Now, election is coming. That's why they are afraid. So the only thing, the Fulani are tools to destroy us, to kill us. There is genocide. It's in my car. It's in my car. And do you want me to show you evidence? It's in my car. It's right there. Come and see pictures of genocides, including small children. Very soon I will make a press release. I will present how small children are among those that are killed. I will present the recent killings that Nigerian government don't want the world to know. They are saying that they are opposing my own government, exposing them. Okay, are they not exposing us to Fulani terrorists by refusing to come to our aid when we cry out? It's exposing us. Let them continue killing us. Then they turn their face as if nothing is happening. They come on Reno Cree, or what is that his name? He came out and said there is no genocide like that in Nigeria. That man, I've caused him already. He will never know peace down to the grave. The blood of people that have entered my brain, I transfer them, my head, to his life. He will not escape. I want all Nigerians to know the man will never escape. He has been doing devious life to different government. This time around, he has crossed his line. If I exist without seeing God crushing that man, then I'm a bastard. Because the blood of people that are being killed in the north, for him coming out, he has crossed the line. He's finished. The only hope for him, that he will buy my heart. Let him repent. Let him repent. If Reno Amokari will repent, and those kind of officials that came out and deny there is no genocide, if they don't repent, oh no.
Abusia, mesa mo akwa babium. Video no na ye twa ye ho akosha ba no. Look at Nigeria for. Mesa man dey obi bisa say malo page Nigerian say no, I will never stop talking about Nigerian. I will continue if they stop. Omo ye papa meka, omo ye bone so ameka. Omo kura de papa de omo ntimi nya papa. Bone mu ne ewu om ne tete om bone mu. Ti bone de Nigeria for aduane omo die. And look at mini aba ma ohwe me. Bisa ho se wo ye be ma bisa ho se wo ba na gina we. Ye kuni mame. Father compare say your ba. How are you going to feel? You're born in Mami to you. Islamic terrorists in Nigeria shoot these people. And look at the little child. Now, this guy doesn't have a mother. Tabufrei ni Mami, so be and so ni one to tell Bufrei. Now, Bufrei ni nemo no nya when you were born him, and any to say a born in Mami to you. When you were born him, Junibana Bufra will be far. The Biana Nigeria chrono is increasing by sin and demonic acting. Look at the little child. Now they have shot her mother. And where is the father too? If this small boy grow up, what is going to happen? At the end of Bufra we bear, because with his naked eyes, her mother and father was shot. His mother and father was killed in front of him. Because that way beginning ni mami ni papa. A prabone be hard. And when you tria, and as when you near, when you nyame. Bonipan will be there. We say these people, we will not allow them in this country. Nigeria for we just say we will never allow them to stay in our country, Ghana. Look at what has happened. Look at what has happened. Young girl fighter, Nigeria for more penny for more man. Young girl fighter fight to parliament. Nigeria for penny for a fight to parliament. Mr. Monday, some of the baby. Young see, look at Penifua, Mosimo educated, Marco school, and Timona Monim Diani Yansa, and what the church of Mambo mine. Mohamed Abacha Parliament, Nigeria Parliament, they are fighting. Instead of thinking good thing for your country has been spoiled. And look at fighting. Parliament impona mukwena bonte beden a terrorist enkunkum. These people, they are not serious. This Nigeria, they are not serious. But let's watch the last video. May I say a special video is very for, but may I find the Akanisha come. Let's watch the video that the Christians were buried in Nigeria. Okay, this evening we will talk another update over. Okay, I remember.
Camp President, Christian Association of Nigeria, and the PFM President, Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, have denied there is nothing like Queen of Christians in Nigeria. This is what they said. What is happening to Christendom in Nigeria? What is happening? Look at how they are massacring clean Christians in Nigeria, massacring people. Our the GOs that are supposed to stand for the Christians in Nigeria are now selling the Christians. All these people that you are seeing here, all of them are Christians. They went to Christian community, Christians there, and our Christians that are supposed to protect us are selling us. Camp President, Christian Association of Nigeria, and the PFM President, Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, we are all disappointed in you people. We are all disappointed. But it's only God that will judge all of us. One day, all of us will live on this world. Bishop will die, pastor will die, general overseer will die. All of us will live in this world. Prophet will die. We will give account of the work we do on this earth. What shall we profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? What shall we profit a man to get money from politicians and lose his soul?
Abusuani yakwa but medical catcher say a bono numa numria, Coseda numre watch me again. May the update ebebro about Chuku the Jude, Hinetu. Papaya was say what person will be in Nigeria, on the Ghana no person will be in the kingdom. Nigeria kakraka giant Nigeria also on pay Ghana no pay minim the way Ghana. Na minim and Yami Abdoma and you 5 o'clock and then you PM. May the update of Chuku the Jude. The entire Ghana for Nigeria must go. South Africa, sorry, protect countries, videos be a many massa. These people they will go. And run many will be in common. I'm saying, Ebiana Hicks, Excellency John Dramani Mahama. As a bit of one says how Ebiana woman go safe and wait 1 year. Ebiano planning how a bit too grow and the same time, no, you see, will echo us. And for now, no on to woman. Yes, well, minimum argument, dear, but mean to blame no. Baby, sans a one young power be no or sheba. As I was say, being young a year, I am fine and castle. And Gianu Gusudia because we are the citizen. We be so Bamo Manco. Well, the enemy argument, and no, Yagusunami Abdoma Monday, protest be about we will let you because you think that a big cross of Dr. Asayanaga where nobody has stopped. But also Ghana Yedemara. And you know, after ye the marane, ye boy Ediaba, and I am assure every Ghanaians that Nigerians have no upper hands up in Ghana here. Nigeria being ye better now as I'm speaking, immigration for money abre. As I brought to Donald Trump, issue warning to Nigeria so a big bomb woman. Nigerians, I get a call. Nigerians are running to Ghana. Now, I am one minimum the old Ghana or me one. On my church and group, baby Ghana no more. But we are telling them, says never before someone fighting Nipa Dubi, so way, one will be fine, so person move Ghana, we are Nigeria for Yachom. And can you bonnet so how Bessimu Krum, Namu Kobom way down, Namu Musunti, Yasi, and Yade, Yandemo. I will share about numeric, me update, may the update Bebron, update in the immediate paying numeric, may the update in Bebron. We didn't add Elisha Malopehana in the Yansano, a Casameda will be a rasse, say what coming, Wabedu Sabri, and Ra. And any 3 days in Ramanchaminka, and any 3 days in Ramanchaminka, but I know dear Mataminka, and Nequasi, and Nequasi Mataminka. Yamishra Munina, Roger for Yamishramo, and Yamishra Munina, Mamma, Esther Canada nyame nhyira mo mama comfort comfort nyame nhyira papa ma comfort nyame nhyira me mama comfort ana mama Olive munyina nyame nhyira munyina onyamo kese madam ase nyame nka mo nyame yadoma enumere so hwe me live 5 o'clock meba live na yedin komo maybe phone lines na tum enti no betumi so afre na wabaso bi meda wase nyame yadoma enumere makra bye bye.